Hey everyone, and well done on making it back to Elevate's Masterclass. In this Masterclass, we have Tamzin Lovell, and she's going to be talking about digital transformation in art. So she's a very, very interesting lady with her own business, and she's run businesses for years. And she's going to teach you how to future-proof your career as an artist or an art dealer. Remember to support us by hitting subscribe, like, and comment on your favorite videos. Carry on watching and let us know how you get on.
We're rolling. That system needed to be refreshed, and at a point in time I realized this is very valuable, and it's the system that we're just using for ourselves. And people were starting to wake up. The art world was very relationship driven. It was very far behind many other industries in the adoption of digital transformation of any kind, other than putting things onto Instagram and having websites and Facebook. But there's so much more to digital transformation than that, and the art world was really falling far behind and didn't need to. Now it's catching up very quickly, but at the time it was just beginning to. And then I realized what I'd built and what I was using for my galleries was needed by many others for exactly the same reasons that I had. They were experiencing the same pains, the same frustrations on a daily basis. And I also realized the market is huge and it's global. And I could take what I had built and turn it into a business. So that's what I did. I left the gallery, my partners continued, and I launched ARTFUNDI as a business using the exact same, cloning out the exact same software that I had been using. And then I decided we needed to bring it up to date. And the only way to do that, really, because it had been a number of years already, by then 8 years, was to rewrite the whole thing. And I made a proper mistake when I started that by hiring a team I could afford, and we worked for a number of months on it, building this code, and I realized what I had in fact needed was the team that I couldn't afford, which was really a top-level team because of the complexity of the art world and trying to build it all into one system. And I was now trying to make it even smarter and make it able to adapt as we went forward, which the previous version wasn't, able to adapt to new technologies like AI and whatever else might come. And I ended up scrapping those months of work and starting again. And I'm grateful now. At the time it was painful and very frustrating for me. But I'm so grateful now because I went and then I swung in the complete opposite direction and said, right, now I've got to have a team that is close by and a team that is top-notch. And I went out and hired people I couldn't afford, and then figured out the problem of how I was going to pay them, how I was going to afford to get them. And that's working beautifully for us now. So where we've ended up with now is an all-in-one system for galleries, for collectors, for museums and other components, where we bring all of that together, and they're able to get out there into the world with a great digital presence and be ready for the future. So it future-proofs their businesses, and it's an incredibly exciting place to be for me and for my team, and to be working with our customers to take them forward.
Yes, we made it to the end. Coming up are more chapters so you can carry on learning, or we'll introduce you to our other instructors so you can gain first-hand information from some of the world's most ambitious minds and successful entrepreneurs. Remember to subscribe to help us grow, and we'll be releasing new Masterclass chapters every single day. If you've reached your fourth and final chapter, remember to head over to our website for more chapters, transcripts, and homework, and of course your certificate, all free of charge on the link below.